frontage road over to the side road. We're over here looking at a lot of people just kind of watching the show. You could see what a distance. I can move these two dumps over here, just gently around the dump, but I think we're in. On a dirt road, folks. This is where we think the aircraft are probably going to lift off from. I think these are better seats. This is a better spot than the $60 seats they have over there for cocktails and Oxnard strawberries. I'm heading actually towards a plane, if you look up there. If I could do a little bit of a zoom. All right, I hear a plane buzzing overhead, and we're about 5 minutes from takeoff of the F-18 Super Hornet. There we go, baby B. F-18 Super Hornet A, B. All right, this is a trick for videographers. This is a high-speed, low-altitude pass. Oh, he went right over us, man. Pull a zoom right on top of the building. We got a lock. Maverick, we got a lock. He's doing a super slow pass. How steady can we hold it? Pull back a little bit. And now he's going to do a lift, ladies and gentlemen. Straight up. Here it goes, buddy. So there's the tarmac. They're actually going right over our car here. If I can just tilt it. We are the greatest spot at the airport at Camarillo. Oh, we got something behind us here. Oh boy, if you can kind of just look right over my shoulder right there. Hi, good afternoon. Had the fire chief come out here and say a few words. Fire chief, U.S. government plates. We're just going to whip right back around. I think there's probably maybe about another 8 minutes left of this particular show. What do you think of that, buddy? So the F-18 Super Hornet has been joined by just a pea shooter. Where we're located, the tarmac is over to our right. There we go. Just over the gate here, we see some old prehistoric something taking off. The F-18 Super Hornet is actually still airborne. Yeah! Okay, watch out, show yours.
That was amazing, Dad. Dad!
Oh boy. Oh no. What do you think there, Dexter? Did we hold position?
Is that the one we were watching?
That was the one we were watching.